In this video, we're diving into how to set up lead scoring in Salesforce. Whether you're looking to boost your sales pipeline or just streamline your lead qualification process, this quick guide will walk you through the steps. First, before we get into the details, did you know you can use Salesforce for completely free? Check the first link in the description for exclusive bonuses, and you can start using Salesforce right now with no commitment. Now, let's get into setting up lead scoring. The first thing you need to do is define your lead scoring criteria. This is essentially determining what makes a lead hot or cold. Look at your ideal customer profile. What actions, behaviors, or characteristics should a lead have in order to be considered qualified? For example, if a lead has downloaded a white paper or attended a webinar, you may want to assign them more points because they've shown more engagement. Next, create custom fields to track the necessary data. Salesforce allows you to create custom fields for any specific information you need to monitor your leads. This can include things like industry, company size, lead source, or even a custom score for their actions on your website. By customizing these fields, you can keep track of everything that matters to your business and make your lead scoring more accurate. Now that you have your data fields in place, let's talk about setting up a scoring system. In Salesforce, you'll use a formula field to assign points based on your criteria. For example, you could give 10 points for a form submission, 20 points for a webinar attendance, or 5 points for a follow-up email response. It's crucial to have a clear system here so that leads can be ranked objectively. The fourth thing you'll want to do is configure automation to adjust lead scores. With Salesforce's workflow rules or process builder, you can automatically adjust scores based on actions your leads take. Let's say a lead visits your pricing page. You can set a rule that automatically increases their score by a set number of points, letting your sales team know they might be getting ready to make a purchase. Next, monitor your lead scoring system regularly. Your lead scoring criteria should evolve as your business grows and your understanding of your leads deepens. Check on it at least every few months to make sure your system is still aligned with your sales goals. If you notice that certain behaviors are leading to more conversions, adjust your lead scoring criteria to reflect that. Lastly, ensure your sales and marketing teams are aligned on the definitions of a hot lead. Salesforce gives you the flexibility to communicate directly within the platform, so make sure everyone is on the same page about what qualifies as a lead worth following up with. In conclusion, setting up lead scoring in Salesforce can make your lead management process more efficient and more effective. By customizing your fields, creating a solid scoring system, and automating key actions, you'll ensure that your sales team focuses on the leads that matter the most. And remember, you can start using Salesforce with an exclusive extended free trial using the link below. Don't miss out on this offer.